Hello everyone. So welcome to Intellect Instruct. This is the modified video of computer organization and ARM microcontrollers important questions. So in previous video I have made important questions of computer organization and ARM microcontrollers. So in this video I have modified some of the questions. Before I thought that those questions were not important or something like that, but now I because I am feeling that these questions are important, so I have added some questions. That's why I have made another video, so refer this video also. So in module 1, the important questions are need diagram, explain the basic operational concepts of computer. Then important questions are PCI bus architecture, then USB protocols, timing diagram. Yeah, you can take the screenshots of all these questions. Then if in case any background noise is there, then I'm really sorry because I can't help it. Then regarding the bus arbitration and types of bus arbitration mechanism with diagrams, also explain the following terms: byte addressability, big END and little END, and performance measurement. Then DMA, single bus and multiple bus architectures. Also basic performance equation, and explain methods to improve the performance of the computer. And what is an interrupt based questions, that is here also one question is there, interrupt hardware mechanism. So these are the important questions. Then in module 2, hardwired control mechanism and microprogram control mechanism, and single bus organization, three bus organization, explain cache memory. Then what are the different types of mapping methods, direct mapping and associative mapping. Then 16 cross 8 memory chip and 2M cross 8 dynamic memory chip, CMOS based SRAM and CMOS based DRAM. Then ALU operation, also define the following terms: memory cycle time, memory access time, memory bandwidth and memory latency, hit rate and miss penalty. Then different types of ROMs is also very important. Then demonstrate the steps required to execute MOV R7, R2, and steps required to execute add R3, R1. Then explain single transistor dynamic memory cell and working principle of magnetic disk. Then module 3, difference between CISC and RISC. Then applications of ARM Cortex M3 processor, architecture of this is also important, architecture of 3 ARM Cortex 3 processor, and AMBA bus protocol. Then operation modes of Cortex M3 with neat diagrams. Also, with neat diagram, explain the hardware and software components or architectures of embedded device, or the general applications pertaining to um, ARM controllers. Then CPSR of ARM core with neat diagram, the functions of R0 to R15 with neat diagrams. Also data flow model of ARM core. Then the Cortex M3 program status register question, and also conditional execution in ARM core using NEEQCC. So all these conditions. Then in module 4, very important is a barrel shifter usage operation. Then programs like factorial of a number, finding the smallest and largest numbers, adding 64-bit numbers or two 16-bit numbers. Then explain the following instructions of ASR, LSR, ROR with examples. Then operation of LSR and ASR with example, like consider R0 they have given you here. So something like that. And also the operation explanation of the operation before and after execution, so of LSR and ASR, SBC and SUB, MUL and MLA. So these are the important questions. You can take the screenshots of all these questions, then you can study. Then with an example illustrate interworking between ARM and thumb code, the necessity of C compilers, that why they are important, something like that. And thumb code provides better code density, explain that or prove that. Then explain ARM compilers role in handling char or short variables. Then explain stack instruction or stack operation. Then data processing instructions in thumb mode. Then these questions also using for loop or do while loop, explain brief looping structure with a variable number of iterations. Then using any programming language, brief looping structure with a fixed number of iterations. Then program to interface a stepper motor, which which will rotate in both directions, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then explain the load store instructions supported by different ARM architectures, and explain local variable types. So I also explain signed versus unsigned types with assembly and C programming. So see, all these questions are very important. Please study all the questions. Then if you like the video, please like, share, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. All the best for your exams. Thank you for watching.